creator that was never created, a self-existent God. How I love to worship you, God of all creation, the self-existent one. How I love to worship you. You are most beautiful, most excellent. How I love to worship you. Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a song from the Loveworld camp, the creator that was never created. And this song was being led by Sophie. Alright, so the song was done in a key of G sharp or A flat. Alright, but I want us to do it in a key of F. Alright, so without much ado, I would like to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel. If you're a beginner, I have a playlist in the playlist section with about 53 videos. I'm going to also put the link in the video that you're watching, the description box, so you can go there, click on it. There is a crash course for beginners that will take you from day one of your piano journey till you are able to learn all the 12 keys with your triads or chords that are made of 3. Alright, so without much said on that, YouTube has also given me a membership platform, and I would like you to financially support so that we can get a new studio where everything is set so that we can bring you more tutorials. Alright, so let's get on into the tutorial or the lesson. Alright, so I presume you already know your scale, and then your chord 1, chord 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a 1. Alright, so it starts. Let me play an intro for you. So you play a 1 on the left. That's your chord 1. Then you do a 4. Sorry, a 3. Now this is a 6. Okay. Now this a 6 is supposed to be a minor, but we're going to be playing the major. Alright, you can still play the minor, but I want us to play the major. So alright, so 1, then you do a 3. 6. The 6 is going to be major. Self-existent world, how I love you, how I love to work. So this is what I did. This is the minor, and then when you take your a step upward with a middle, you get a major. So I'm actually bringing this down to have the major, the third finger major up. So it's like, now you can do this work. That's what I played here. This is the same chord. Alright. So the creator that was never created. This is a chord. You can play this. Then self-existent world. How I love you. Then you maintain the 3 over the 5. How I love to worship. Now you do a 6 minor, which is a minor, 6, then 2, then you come and do a suspended chord. So let's do everything again. Self-existent world, how I love you, how I love to worship you. God, your sufficient world, how I love to worship you. The next part, you are most beautiful. So it's a 1, 3, 1, 3, 4 rather. You are most beautiful, or you can do 1, beautiful. Then you move to chord 5, most excellent. Then you do a 6, how I love. Then you do a 7, how I love. Sorry, after the 6, you do a 2, I love to work. So it's like this, you are most beautiful, most excellent. How I love to worship you. So this is a turnaround. So you are most beautiful from 1 to 4. Then you do a 5, most excellent. You're going to do 6, 2, 5. How I love to worship you. Then you do a 5, a minor 7, or a 5 over flat 7. Then you come back to 1 to 4. So you are most beautiful, most excellent. How I love 5, a 6, 7, 1. Your Majesty, Your Majesty, Your Majesty, I worship you. Your Majesty, Your Majesty, Your Majesty, I worship you. So basically, that's the whole song, and I believe if you're able to learn what I, you know, taught you, you should be able to play the song. And see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.